Hey guys, Chicago injury lawyer Scott DeSalvo, and in this video I wanted to explain to you what a lot of people worry about when they get hurt at work and they don't really want to call a lawyer, right? So the question is, how much does a workers' comp lawyer get paid, and how do they get paid? So here's the way it works. Virtually every injury lawyer gives a free consultation. So you can talk to a lawyer, tell them what's going on, and they can give you some idea of what's going on and what needs to be done just with a phone call, and that's free. Or you can even come into the office and talk to them for free. So that's good, right? But if you decide to hire them, what do you pay them? Well, in work injury cases, workers' comp cases, the lawyer fee for workers' comp case is set by law at 20%. So if you ever talk to a workers' comp lawyer who wants more than 20%, they're in violation of the law, unless there's a real extenuating circumstance that there's two exceptions, and I'll talk about them in a minute. Now that doesn't mean, like in a car crash case, the attorney's fee is 40% or a third. In a fall down or a medical malpractice, nursing home, the fees are higher. But because the state of Illinois wants to protect injured workers who they know don't have money coming in if they're hurt at work, the law says that the fee is set at 20%. Now here's the two exceptions. The two exceptions are if you had a cash offer to settle your case and then you hire a lawyer, the lawyer can take a higher percentage on the amount he beats the offer by. So let's say somebody offers you $5,000 for your workers' comp case, and you hire a lawyer and the lawyer gets $7,000, right? The lawyer can take more than 20% on the difference between 50 and 70, because otherwise, if he's not taking a fee on the 5 and he did a ton of work on the other amount, it's a very, very small number, and then your problem would be you'd never be able to hire a lawyer if there was already a cash offer on the case. So that's why that is. So that's one exception. And then the other exception is if an attorney really goes above and beyond, tries the case, all that stuff, he can petition the Illinois Workers' Compensation Commission and ask for more attorney's fees. But I will tell you, I've been representing injured people for 20 years, and I've never done that. If you sign a contract with me that says 20% or some other percent for an amount above the offer amount, I honor that. I don't go back and ask for more money. And I know some lawyers who do it, and on a case where somebody literally does a colossal amount of work, I can understand why they might want a little bit more money, but I've never done it. But that's how it works. It's 20%, and here's the beauty of it. None of that comes out of your pocket. This is all money that ultimately the insurance company is paying, because it's a percentage of what we win you, right? So you never go in pocket and pay the lawyer out of your pocket. The lawyer gets paid at the end of the case, but only if they win. And if the lawyer loses, the lawyer doesn't get paid anything. So that's the nice thing. It doesn't really, there's very little risk for you, and there's a lot of upside, because being represented in one of these cases really helps your chances at getting everything you're entitled to under the Workers' Comp Act. So hope that answers your question. Have a great day. Take care.